Plain view. The plain view, that is also called a tabby view. It is the simplest and most commonly used view. It is made by passing a weft yarn over and under of each warp yarn. It creates more number of intersections, that is interlacements. The warp and weft threads cross at right angle each other. Some plain views have ribbed effect. The types of plain views are balanced plain view and basket views. The balanced plain views are fabrics in which the warp and weft are made of threads of same count and the same number of ends per inch and picks per inch. A balanced plain view can be identified by its checkerboard like appearance. It is also known as one up, one down view or over and under pattern views. The basket view is a variation of plain view in which two or more threads are bundled and then woven as one in warp or weft or both the sides. The properties of a plain view fabrics. There is no right angle, right side and wrong side. They do not travel easily but tend to wrinkle and have less absorbency than other views. The visual effect of plain view may be varied by combining yarns of different origins, thickness, texture, twist, or color. Crease forms easily in these fabrics. Fabric weight, that is GSM, depending on the yarn count and density of yarn. These fabrics are versatile, flexible, and having tightest weave structure. Because of more interlacements, these fabrics having more firmness and a good tensile strength. The feel of the fabric is hard to wear. Durability of the fabric is comparatively good. The texture of these fabric is depends on variation in warp tension, count of yarn used. The texture is related to type of material, count of yarn, relative density of the threads, weight, bulk, feel during handle, and other properties. End uses of plain weave fabrics. These are mostly used in shirting materials, suiting materials, outer garment materials, sheer fabrics, blouse materials, dress materials, garments that do not require much stretch. Construction of a plain view. So here we are seeing design, draft, and big plan of a plain view. The plain view is the arrangement of warp up and warp down in alternate manner. The cross marks indicates the warp up and the blank box indicate the warp down. So here we are arranging the warp up and warp down alternate manner in the both the sides. So next draft. Draft. The first end is drawn through the heel frame 1 and the second end is different from the first end. So it drawn from the heel number 2. Then peg plan. The peg plan. So it's a straight draft. So it's same as design. Apart from that, the first pick, in the first pick, the heel frame 1 is lifted up and it formed the warp up in the first end. In the second pick, the heel frame 2 is lifted up and it formed warp up in the second pick. Second end in the second pick. So this video shows the plane view formation. So the plane view, in the plane view having some formula numbers, that is the way of arrangement in warp up and warp down. So here we are using one warp up and one warp down in the alternate manner. So it's called one up, one down manner. So the graph indicates warp and weft arrangements. So the horizontal lines indicates weft and the vertical line indicates warp. So here we are using the graph to indicate design, draft and peg plan. So marking one warp up in the first end and one warp up in the second end, or arrangement in the alternate order. So these two ends and two peaks are the basic design of this view. Further are repeating units. So here we are repeating the design as 5 times in the warp way and weft way. So design is marked here. And next is drafting. So the first end is drawn through the first heel frame. Then second end is different from the first one. So it marked in the second heel frame. The third is same as first end. So we can mark as first heel frame. The same way all alternate ends, all odd number of ends are same as first end. So we can mark all the odd ends in the first heel frame, and all the even ends are same as second end. So mark all the even ends in the second heel frame. So drafting is over now. Next one, peg plan. The peg plan is lifting of heeled frame. So in the first peg, first heeled frame is lifted up, and the second heeled frame is lifted up. In the add number of pegs, first heeled frame is lifted up, and the even number of pegs, the second heeled frame is lifted up here. The blue color mark indicates warp up, and the blank box indicates warp down.